So now we're going to learn a song all about woodpeckers, about the old Mr Woodpecker sitting in a tree. Old Mr Woodpecker tapping merrily. Then my turn, then your turn, then my turn, then your turn. And we can keep the beat on our knees. Old Mr Woodpecker sitting in a tree. Your turn. Old Mr Woodpecker sitting in a tree. My turn. Old Mr Woodpecker tapping merrily. Your turn. Old Mr Woodpecker tapping merrily. So let's try that all together from the beginning. Ready, steady, off we go. Old Mr Woodpecker sitting in a tree. Old Mr Woodpecker tapping merrily. Again. Old Mr Woodpecker sitting in a tree. Old Mr Woodpecker tapping merrily. Nice work. Now we've also got some singing to go with that. So it's going to go like this. Old Mr Woodpecker sitting in a tree. Old Mr Woodpecker tapping merrily. Should we try that together? We're going to sing it twice. Ready, steady, off we go. Old Mr Woodpecker sitting in a tree. Old Mr Woodpecker tapping merrily. Old Mr Woodpecker sitting in a tree. Old Mr Woodpecker tapping merrily. You got it? Because there's a little bit more to my song. Because we have been practicing our woodpecker tapping, we're going to sing the next bit. And it goes like this. Old Mr Woodpecker, we can do it too. Old Mr Woodpecker, this is just for you. So my turn, then your turn. Old Mr Woodpecker, we can do it too. Your turn. Old Mr Woodpecker, we can do it too. My turn. Old Mr Woodpecker, this is just for you. Your turn. Old Mr Woodpecker, this is just for you. And then we can try singing that again. So we've been using our speaking voices. And now we're going to sing with our singing voices. Ready, steady, off we go. Old Mr Woodpecker, we can do it too. Old Mr Woodpecker, this is just for you. Again. Old Mr Woodpecker, this is just for you. Old Mr Woodpecker, oh, then we can do it too. Old Mr Woodpecker, we can do it too. Old Mr Woodpecker, this is just for you. So grab your wooden sticks, because at the end of the song we are going to play, we're going to do some more tapping for the woodpecker. So have those close, because we're going to sing it all the way through, and at the end we're going to do some tapping. Okay? So from the beginning, old Mr Woodpecker sitting in a tree. Here's the beat. Ready, steady, off we go. Old Mr Woodpecker sitting in a tree. Old Mr Woodpecker tapping merrily. Old Mr Woodpecker, we can do it too. Old Mr Woodpecker, this is just for you. So grab your sticks. So why don't you play your sticks along with my flute now? I'm going to play on the flute. and I want you to play along with your rhythm, being the woodpecker. Ready, steady, let's go. Did you have fun being the woodpecker? Oh, please send me videos of you playing your rhythm sticks and pretending to be a woodpecker.